Hello friends, in this video, we will see how we can make extra money by depositing our money in two deposit accounts. We will see two cases. First case, we will make a fixed deposit, FD, and take the principal amount and interest amount at the time of maturity. We will not take any monthly, quarterly or half-yearly interest. Second case, we will make a FD and take the monthly interest each month. This monthly interest we will put in recurring deposit, RD, each month. At the end of maturity, we will get two amounts, one from FD and one from RD. For these cases, we will use the SBI YONO app. We will make a FD of 20,000 rupees for a period of 5 years. Hence, in the SBI YONO app, we will input an amount of 20,000 rupees in the amount field. Then, we will input a period of 5 years, 0 months and 0 days. We can also view interest rates for 5 years, which shows us 6.10% per annum. Next, we will select the frequency of interest payout. For the first case, we will select it as at maturity. Now, we can review our fixed deposit. Note that the maturity date is the 11th of November 2027. The maturity amount is 27,070 rupees and the interest payout is at maturity. For the second case, we will make a fixed deposit of same amount, that is 20,000, but this time we will take the interest every month instead of at maturity. Note that we will earn interest of 101 rupees every month. Let us review our fixed deposit for the monthly interest payout. Note the maturity date is the 11th of November 2027. The maturity amount is 20,000 rupees, and the interest payout is monthly. We have seen that we will be getting 101 rupees as monthly interest from the fixed deposit. Now, we will invest this monthly interest of 101 rupees in recurring deposit for 5 years. So, we will create a recurring deposit. If we input 101 rupees, we get an error stating that the monthly contribution need to be of minimum 100 rupees and in multiple of 10 rupees. Hence, we will create the recurring deposit by monthly contribution of 100 rupees. We will make the monthly contribution of 100 rupees for a period of 5 years. Now, we can review our recurring deposit. Note the maturity date is the 11th of November 2027. The interest rate is 6.90% per annum and the maturity amount is 7,174 rupees and 32 paise. So friends, let's now compare our two cases. In case 1, where we made only FD, our maturity amount was 27,070 rupees. In second case, where we made FD plus RD, we got 20,000 rupees as principal amount, plus 7,174 rupees and 32 paise as interest, plus 60 rupees in our savings account. We got 60 rupees because we had invested only 100 rupees in RD instead of 101 rupees. So, the total amount we got in second case, that is FD plus RD plus SB, is 27,234 rupees and 32 paise. This is more by 164 rupees and 32 paise, that is 0.6% extra money than the first case. If our investment was 1 lakh rupees, then our extra money would have been 821 rupees and 50 paise, and if our investment was 10 lakh rupees, then the extra money would have been 8,215 rupees. This is how we can earn extra money by making double deposit. I hope that the video was helpful to you. For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe.